Hey everybody, Rob here with Backyard Barbecue. Today it's going to be about the 5 things that I don't like, or some of the cons against getting an electric smoker. Number 1, one of the first things that I don't really like about this smoker is the limited capacity. You'll quickly see that there's only a few trays in here for you to fit stuff. So whereas if you have a big offset, or just a horizontal smoker, you have a lot more room for different items. Number 2, and I think one of the bigger ones, is the best flavors during the smoking process actually happen with combustion. The electric smoker is more of a smoldering. There's an iron or a heating element at the bottom that gets really hot, and some of the gas comes off the wood, it just kind of smolders, but there's really not much oxygen for combustion to happen. Well, because it's not actually combusting anything like a pellet smoker or propane, charcoal, or offset, the flavor, it'll be okay, but it's just not going to be where you'd really want it. Number 3, lack of airflow. So on these units, there's just a small little hole in the back, right about a 1/4 inch or not, that the smoke can come out of. And so the problem with that is that you just kind of have stagnant air sticking around inside the smoker. It's not circulating, it's kind of slowly coming out as it goes. Fresh smoke and flavor, it's just not going to be there. Number 4, the problem with these smokers is that if you travel or want to go somewhere in your backyard, you want to move things around, you are tied to an extension cord or somewhere close to an outlet. You do need to have power. Now, having a generator or something like that running doesn't make a lot of sense, because cooks can take 4, 6, 8, 10 hours, depending on your preference. And the 5th and final drawback, not terribly great if it's raining. By virtue of being plugged in, it becomes essentially a really big toaster. And so having things near water, not terribly great from a electrocution standpoint. So I would be careful or avoid completely using these when it's going to be wet, super muggy, or if it's raining out. So I hope those 5 items were helpful to you. If you have any questions, feedback, I'd love to hear it below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Soon I'm going to be getting a pellet smoker, and I'll be sharing my review with you guys on how it compares to an electric and how it compares to an offset. So if you're interested, stay tuned.